everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. I'm back in today's video with another content on how to log into your Kotak Home Loan account. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet, and also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now let's get started. Open up a web browser to begin. In the address bar at the top of the screen, go ahead and type in www.kotak.com and press enter. You'll end up in the main homepage of Kotak Mahindra Bank, which looks like this. Go to the top right hand corner and click on the login button in order to end up in the login area. Now, in the right hand side of the screen, go ahead and type in your CRN number, your username or your card number in the first text field. You can type in any one information that you'd like. And now, click on the Remember Me box. If you'd like to save your credential for further visits, click on Proceed to do so. But if you're using a public device or a shared device, make sure to leave it unchecked before logging into your account. In case you've forgotten your details, that is your username or your card number or your CRN number, you can click on the Need Help link and follow the instructions to retrieve it back. After typing in your credential, click the Next button. On the next field, you'll need to type in your password for your account. Make sure to type it in correct. You can double check by clicking on this little show link at the right corner. In case you don't remember your password, you can simply click on this Generate Password link and follow the instructions so that you can reset to a new password for your account. Finally, after you are done entering the correct password and you are ready to log in, click on the Secure Login button and you'll be logged into your Kotak Mahindra Bank account. You can simply find your Home Loan tab soon after you log in. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.